Hey, Honda Accord owners! Is that pesky tire pressure warning light staring you down, even when your tires are perfectly fine? Don't sweat it. This guide will show you how to quickly reset your TPMS light on various Honda Accord models. We'll cover everything from older models to the latest Accord, ensuring you can get back on the road without that annoying light. So let me teach you right now. If you have an old Honda car, especially the US model, it has an indirect tire pressure system. So for this model, sorry folks, no built-in reset button. You'll need a scanner tool or a trip to the tire shop. Check for a low tire and make sure all 4 tires are equal and correct. If the light is still there after a short drive, then it's likely you have a dead battery in a sensor. Yep, each sensor has a little battery, and after generally lasting about 10 years, especially on older models, it just runs out of juice. If you take your car to the dealer or a qualified tire shop, they can scan the system and tell you exactly which tire has the dead sensor. You need to replace the sensor, and the tire dealer should be able to program those to the ECU for you. For 2013 to 2016 Honda Accord owners, this model has a dedicated TPMS reset button. Crucially, before attempting any reset, always adjust the cold tire pressure on all 4 tires to the recommended PS I listed on your driver's door placard. This is a critical first step, so let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Turn your key to the on position. Step 2. Now look down to the left side of your dashboard, just under the steering wheel. You'll see a little button that looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation point. That's your TPMS reset button. Press and hold that TPMS button until the light on your dash blinks twice. Don't let go too soon. Once it blinks, you can release. After releasing the button, take your car for a short drive, maintaining a speed of around 50 miles per hour for a few minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate the sensors, and you're done. Resetting the tire pressure warning light in 2017 to 2022 Honda Accord models is straightforward and done through the touchscreen infotainment system. Remember, always adjust your cold tire pressure first according to the placard on your driver's door. So the reset can be done as follows. Step 1. Turn on the car. Step 2. Tap the home button on your touchscreen to get to the main menu. Step 3. Tap on Settings from the main menu. Step 4. Tap on Vehicle menu. Step 5. Tap on TPMS calibration. Step 6. Finally, tap Calibrate. The system will begin calibrating, and your tire pressure light should turn off shortly. For the latest 2023 to 2026 Honda Accord models, the TPMS reset process is similar to the previous generation, utilizing the touchscreen. And yes, you guessed it. Always adjust your cold tire pressure on all 4 tires to the recommended PSI before starting. This step is crucial for a successful calibration. So let's go inside and reset it. Step 1. Tap the Home button on your infotainment screen to access the main menu. Step 2. Scroll through the pages to find and select Vehicle Settings. Step 3. In this menu, tap on TPMS Calibration. Step 4. Lastly, tap Calibrate to initiate the TPMS calibration process. The system will start, and your tire pressure light should disappear. There you have it. Resetting your Honda Accord's TPMS light is usually a quick and easy DIY task. If you followed these steps and the light remains on, or if it reappears shortly after, it might indicate a more significant issue, such as a faulty sensor or a slow leak. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional mechanic or your Honda dealership. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.